It's a 2000 Dodge Viper TraNZam. It's the only one ever built. It was built by Sinjo Racing in the USA under Chrysler guidance. It was meant to be like a 3-4 car team, but then Mercedes took over Chrysler and shut the program down. So very special car, 101. I love TraNZam, but when I saw this car with Kane Scott driving it in 2010, I melted. Well, I only dreamed about it, never really thought about owning it, but yeah, I'm a very lucky man, the way things worked out. Had a year of restoration and she is beautiful and good to go. Full ground up restoration, back to bare chassis, replace almost every moving part is new. She's a dream come true. She's pretty much a new car. The intention is now to run it to the end of the season, next season, season after and season after. Well, my engineers are awesome and they're making me better than I am. So yeah, I've got a lot to learn in a very short time. It's a big step up. Put the Hollinger sequential 5-speed in it. It's protect the engine as much as outright driving, but definitely. Oh yeah. Sounds awesome, doesn't it? My engineer, Steve Berggren, he's been full-time on the car for 11 months, 5 days a week, and the occasional weekend, and I've been pretty much full-time gopher and dog spotting. Well, I'd like to thank Viv, my wife, because she's my prime sponsor. CSL Containers, Rodney's Restorations. Rodney's put a beautiful coat of paint on it. Can't say enough about that. It's just, I've got great guys all around me.